Words have power. They can build bridges or burn them down. Joyce Meyer gets it exactly right. Whatever is stored up in your heart will sooner or later be expressed by your words. So be careful what you look at, read, and think about. Fill your heart with good things, and you'll think good thoughts, speak good words, and bear good fruit. Now let's get real. We're all imperfect humans. Sometimes we hurt people with our words and actions, even if we don't mean to. But here's the kicker. What you do next is crucial. Making it right by being humble, accepting your mistake, and apologizing is a righteous act. Remember, humility isn't about thinking less of yourself. It's about thinking of yourself less. A heartfelt apology can mend wounds and build stronger relationships. So, take a moment, reflect on your words, and choose to build rather than destroy. Let's fill our hearts with goodness and make our words a force for positive change. Because in the end, your words shape your world. And a world built with love and humility is a beautiful place to be. You cannot change your thought patterns on your own. You need the help of the Holy Spirit, filling your heart with His love and good fruit.